Hello friend, welcome my channel. Welcome my channel. I am Robin Mukherjee, civil engineering pass out 1986. Work experience above 30 years. Now I discuss prevalent schedule of rates. Prevalent schedule of rates. Number part 4. Prevalent schedule of rates. Part 4. Plastering, pointing, etc. Plastering, pointing, etc. I discuss plastering, pointing, etc. Number 1. Plaster to wall, floor, etc. with cement and sand mortar 12 mm thick with proportion 1:6, 1:4, 1:3, 1:2 per square meter. Plaster to wall, floor, etc. with cement and sand mortar 12 mm thick with proportion 1:6, 1:4, 1:3, 1:2 per square meter rate each. Number 2. Plaster to wall, floor with cement and sand mortar 20 mm thick with proportion. Plaster to wall, floor with cement and sand mortar 20 mm thick with proportion 1:6 proportion, 1:4 proportion, 1:3 proportion, 1:6 proportion, 1:4 proportion, 1:3 per square meter rate. Number 3. Plaster to ceiling with cement and sand mortar 6 mm thick, including roughening concrete surface with proportion 1:4 and 1:2. Plastering to ceiling with cement and sand mortar 6 mm thick, including roughening concrete surface with proportion 1:4, B 1:2, A 1:4, B 1:2 rate per square meter. Number 4. Neat cement panning in wall, dado, windows, shields, floors, drains, etc. about 1.5 mm thick. Neat cement panning in wall, dado, windows, shields, floors, drains, etc. about 1.5 mm thick. Per square meter. Number 5. Lime panning about 3 mm thick with shell lime and stone lime 1:2 proportion. Lime panning about 3 mm thick with shell lime and stone lime 1:2 proportion per square meter. Number 6. Rule pointing to brickwork in cement mortar 1:4 proportion. Rule pointing to brickwork in cement mortar 1:4 proportion per square meter. Number 7. Flush pointing to brickwork in cement mortar 1:4 proportion. Flush pointing to brickwork in cement mortar 1:4 proportion per square meter. Number 8. Tuck pointing to brickwork in cement mortar 1:3 proportion. Tuck pointing in brickwork in cement mortar 1:3 proportion per square meter. Whitewashing, color washing and distemper. Whitewashing, color washing and distemper. Number 1. Whitewashing including clearing surface 1 coat. Number 1. 1 coat. Number 2. 2 coats. Number 3. 3 coats per square meter rate. Per square meter. Whitewashing including clearing surface. Number 1. 1 coat. Number 2. 2 coats. Number 3. 3 coats per square meter rate. Number 2. Color washing with pigment of any shade with a coat of whitewash. Priming including cleaning surface. Color washing with pigments of any shade with a coat of whitewash, priming including cleaning surface. Number 1 coat of color wash. 1 coat of color wash. Number 2 coats of color wash on new work only. 2 coats of color wash on new work only. Number 3 extra for additional story in external walls only. Extra for additional story in external walls only. Per square meter rate. Per square meter rate. All. Number 3 color wash of any shade including cleaning surface. Color washing of any shade including cleaning surface. Number 1 coat. Number 2 coat. Number 3 extra for additional story in external walls only. Number 1 coat. Number 2 coat. Number 3 extra for additional story in external walls only. Per square meter rate. Per square meter. Number 4 dry distempering with a coat of priming including cleaning surface. Dry distempering with a coat of priming including cleaning surface. Per square meter rate. Per square meter. Number 5 bordering up to 75 mm wide in distemper. Bordering up to 75 mm wide in distemper per running meter rate. Per running meter rate. Number 6 decorating cement based paint after preparing bed in ground floor. Decorating cement based paint after preparing bed in ground floor. Number 1 coat. Number 2 coat. Number 3 extra for additional story in external walls only. Decorating cement based paint after preparing bed in ground floor. Number 1 coat. Number 2 coat. Number 3 extra for additional story in external walls only. Next day. Next video I discuss painting and varnishing. Next video I discuss painting and varnishing. Today I finish my video. All are requested. If you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. If you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you. Bye.